Hey everyone, I'm going to teach you how to make a clay snowman today. You're going to need 2 bats, 3 balls of clay, 8 ounces, 5 ounces, and 3 ounces, and your throwing tools. So let's get started. So the first one you're going to make is the 8-ounce ball. You're going to leave this one on the bat after you're done throwing it. So just make a ball, like if you haven't seen the ornament video, like the ornament video. Otherwise, leave the top open on this one though. So I'd throw a cylinder and then start throwing a bowl and then bring it back in by collaring. If you don't know how to collaring, this is a great skill to learn, and this is a good one to practice this on. Dry it out and then start with the 5-ounce ball. On the 5-ounce ball, you're going to do the same thing. All 3 balls are going to do the same thing for. You're just trying to make these giant snowball looking things, and you're going to leave holes in them so it can breathe, because otherwise you're not going to have breathing holes and the piece will blow up in the kiln. Cut this one off and then move out to the 3-ounce. The 3-ounce ball is going to be kind of smaller. It's going to be the head, so you're going to want the top to be a little bit flat on this one. To make it a little bit flat, I just use the bottom because the bottom of the thing is already flat. Make sure you trim the bottom of it nice, cut it off, and then you can see me here. I'm using a 1-ounce ball to make a little top hat for him, and then you'll see me attaching that a little bit later. So once that's done, you're going to put the 8-ounce ball back on. You're going to scratch and score and center that 5-ounce ball on top of it. Make sure that those are pretty dry there, as well, about a nice in-between leather hard so that they don't collapse on each other. Each one you're going to slip and score, put in coils around, and then kind of attach those with your finger and a little tool to scratch and attach those. Dry those out each time to make sure that they're not going to collapse on you. And then you're going to essentially just start slowly building your snowman on top of each other. Decorate it like your favorite snowman outside, and I hope you enjoy.